Hello, I'm Steve Woods and I'm here to tell you all about a for loop in pseudocode. Here we have a for loop and here we have some dolly mixtures. You can try this at home. If you are allergic to dolly mixtures, don't use dolly mixtures. Here is my for loop. It goes from here and the indented part is in the scope of the for loop. So this is going to go round 6 times and it's going to do those 6 times in this for loop. So for x being a temporary variable, sometimes that's I, it could be pig or frog, it doesn't matter, it's just usually x or I are there in the for loop when we're going to count along. So for x 1, 2, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, we're going to run this loop. Here is x, the temporary variable. The if starts here and ends here, and you can see the scope of the if here. And again, colons on the end, double equals, so let's read it through. For x 1 to 6, if colour is equal to orange, eat it. If the colour is equal to green, eat it. Else, don't eat it. And if. Next x, so then 1 will become 2, and we'll look at the second, and we'll carry on. Let's try this and see what happens. For x 1 to 6, so x starts off as 1. If colour is orange, so 1, if colour is orange, eat it. And if. Next x is 2. X is 2 now. If colour is orange, eat it. Next x is 3. If colour is orange, this is x, no. If it's green, no. Don't eat it. Next x is 4, the fourth one. If colour is orange, no. If colour is green, eat it. Now, x is 5. Let's look at the fifth one. If colour is orange, x is 6. Orange, Now x is 6. Not going to happen anymore. Finished. There's no XX. Here is a different type of for loop. This one is looking at an array. It's going to iterate through the array and look at each element in the array in turn until it gets to the end. X is still the temporary variable here, so for x in array, basically put the first thing in the array into x, apply the if, put the next thing into x, apply the if, and we'll iterate through this list or this array. Right, for x in array. So for the first element in array, if colour equals orange, eat it. Next x. If colour is orange, no. If colour is green, no. Else, don't eat it. I like the pink ones. Next x. If colour is orange, no. If colour is green, no. Else, don't eat it. Next x. Orange, no. Green, no. Don't eat it. Next x. If colour is orange, Next x. No. Next x. At the end of the array. Getting quite full. Job done. I hope that helped you visualise the for loop. Now all we need to do is tidy up. Thank you for watching.